The University Eye Clinic is like any other optometry clinic. We are open to the public for eye tests, contact lenses, low vision appointments and various other specialist clinics. But unlike other optometry practices in the high street, we also have a teaching role. And I think when it comes to patients and the public, the patients enjoy that because it gives them the opportunity to spend a little bit longer with a practitioner or a student who's working with them, and they get to understand a little bit how their eyes work and function, and they seem to enjoy that.
I think I've been coming to the eye clinic for about 6 years in total, both the old eye clinic, the temporary one, and now the brand new one. The new clinic is bright, welcoming. It's really very nice, although I have to say that the people have always been very nice here. As a student here myself some time ago, I think it's only right to come back and give your time to those new students. It's a very in-depth examination and it's checked at every stage so you can be sure of your result, and they have a great range of glasses. Yes, I would encourage everybody, anybody, to come to the University Eye Clinic.
I think it's a great idea to be able to facilitate students, in their studies, and in my experience they've always done a very good job. So I'm really happy to be able to enable them or at least facilitate them in their work, in their practical work then. Very, very professional. I've always a great confidence, not just in the students, but then also in the staff checking the students' results. I would definitely recommend it to anyone.
With me being a nurse as well, I know how important it is to be able to see, things in action, and yeah, it's definitely important for them to be able to come in and, do more hands-on things to be able to learn. This is lovely, well laid out, and everybody's welcoming and very friendly. They were very good, weren't they, Eve? They were very good with you. They were able to engage well with Eve as well. They were very, very good, very helpful.
What I like studying most at optometry at Ulster University is getting to work with the general public. You get to meet so many different kinds of people from different backgrounds, and I find that really interesting. Also, I like to get to work with our different supervisors and lecturers, as they're so calming and knowledgeable, and you can ask them any question. It's really good that we have the lecturers here and the general public who are good to come in and let us get that hands-on experience.
I think it's a friendly environment because the students are in the process of learning. In here, the time pressures are really much broader. So patients get an opportunity to ask questions, have their questions answered both by students and supervisors, and they seem to enjoy that atmosphere. And I think we're very fortunate. The students we have tend to be very socially adept and are very good with the public in general. Many of them actually work a little bit in practice externally, and they bring that experience in, and then we add a little bit to that in terms of their technical and professional knowledge. We're well equipped. We have a broad range of high-level, high-spec kit. We have optometrists here with many years of experience and who have a background in practice, equally with a large number who have a background in research too. The reaction has been really positive. It's fantastic. We have beautiful modern environment, and that modern environment isn't just superficial. We also have some nicely equipped cubicles too, and they're well set up for our work. If any members of the public are interested in coming to have their eyes tested at the university, they're always welcome. We run clinics every week, and if they contact us either by email or by phone,